Welcome to the Geometry of Nature, where beauty meets mathematics. In this video series, we'll take you on a journey into the mesmerizing world where mathematics and nature entwine. Let's explore the hidden geometric wonders that surround us. Our first stop, Fibonacci's secret in sunflowers. Have you ever wondered why sunflowers have such perfect spirals? It's all thanks to the Fibonacci sequence, a mathematical marvel found throughout nature. Next, we dive into fractals, nature's infinite art. Look closely at a coastline, a mountain range, or a leaf, and you will find fractals, intricate geometric shapes that repeat infinitely, creating endless complexity. Let's ride the waves in the dance of sine waves, the rhythmic waves of the ocean, or the gentle sway of a field of wheat follow the mathematics of sine waves, creating serene beauty. Now, let's explore the perfect symmetry of snowflakes. Each snowflake is a masterpiece of symmetry. Thanks to the hexagonal lattice structure of ice crystals, making each one unique. Inside a beehive, discover geometry in beehives. Hexagonal cells maximize storage space efficiently. A lesson taught by our tiny pollinator friends. Fluttering in is butterflies and the golden ratio. The wings of butterflies often exhibit the golden ratio, showcasing mathematics, elegance and grace in nature. Lastly, our mathematical world. Next time you are in nature, pause to appreciate the mathematical symphony around you. Mathematics weaves a tapestry of wonder throughout our world. So, join us on this journey as we celebrate the union of mathematics and nature, where beauty is measured in equations and the natural world is an endless source of inspiration. Share your favorite examples of the geometry of nature or your thoughts on this profound connection between math and our world. Together, let's celebrate the wonder of the geometry of nature.